So this is going to be a beautiful problem. Okay, A and B are independent, then so are A and B complement. Suppose A and B are independent, then this thing will hold. Probability of A intersection B is the product of probability of A and probability of B. Okay, this thing will for sure happen. And suppose probability of A intersection probability of B complement, or by chance this is equal to probability of A into probability of B complement, then we are done. If this is for sure, this is happening because they are independent, but this, is it happening? That is the question mark. Okay, so how are we going to calculate it? Suppose we are finding probability of A intersection B complement. Okay, so we must be having some basic set theoretic notion. Okay, what is it? Suppose you want to find the set A. Okay, we want to find the set A. We can find the set A by this procedure. See, suppose this is your set. Okay, universal set. You are going to get two sets. If this is not visible, let me ink something better. So we have two sets, A and B. This is the sample space S. Okay, so I want to find this A, right? This area inside it. So I have this thing in extra, that is overlapped with B. So I can find it by what? By what? First let me find that part, A intersection B. This part is A intersection B, right? This part is A intersection B. I will unite it with what is B's complement, everything outside B. Okay, A intersection B complement. Clear? A intersection B complement. Okay, this is a very beautiful thing that you should observe. First you calculated this thing, okay, then you calculated everything outside B and made it intersect with A. So you find the set A like this. So if you found the set A like this, and one thing you must observe, that this thing marked in red and the white marked thing, both are disjoint sets. Both are disjoint sets. So what is A intersection B? Sorry, what is A union B when both A and B are disjoint? What is the probability of A when these both things are disjoint? You can add it. You can add it, right? Plus probability of A intersection B complement. Okay, so this expression is same as the left hand side of equation 2, right? So let's move forward without any fear. Probability of A is nothing but this thing, write this thing, probability of A intersection B is PA PB, and this thing right hand side, probability of A intersection B complement, right? So make it familiar to you. Probability of A minus probability of A into probability of B. This is nothing but probability of A multiplied with 1 minus probability of B. What is 1 minus probability of B? In some previous lecture, before 2 or 3 lectures, I have concluded this is nothing but probability of B complement, right? So this is the result, a beautiful result. If A and B are independent, then so are